ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शुक्ल यजुर्वेदीय काण्व शाखीय बृहदारण्यक उपनिषद 689 पेज नंबर मंत्र नंबर 5 कंडिकांतरस्य तात्पर्यम् आह। इदानीं भाष्य इदानीं तिथ्यादि लक्षणाद् अतिमुक्तिरुच्यते यदिदं सर्वम् अहोरात्रयोर अविशिष्टयोः आदित्यः कर्ता न प्रतिपदादीनां तिथीनां। So in the previous mantra, ahoratrayoho vishishta karta is Aditya. So that was discussed how a person will go beyond ahoratra, mukti, ati mukti, all of that was said. Now, idanim tithyadi lakshanad ati mukti, tithi. So now there is a question. Aditya अहोरात्रयोः विशिष्टयोः अविशिष्टयोः कर्ता न प्रतिपदादीना प्रतिपदादीनां तिथीनां कर्ता कः चंद्रमाः विसर्ग चंद्रमाः। टीका ननु अहोरात्रादि लक्षणे काले तिथ्यादि लक्षणस्य कालस्य अंतर्भावात् ततो अतिमुक्तावुक्तायां तिथ्यादि लक्षणादपि कालाद् असौ उक्तैव इति कृतं पृथगारम्भेण इति तत्र अहोरात्रादि लक्षणे काले अहोरात्रादि लक्षणे इज आल्सो लक्षण ऑफ काल तिथ्यादि लक्षणस्य कालस्य अंतर्भाव। इफ यू हैव ऑलरेडी सेड हाउ वन विल गो बियॉन्ड अहोरात्र that person will go beyond tithi or not. Ashtami, Ekadashi, Pratipada, everything will go because they also are part of Ahoratra only. So, Tithyadi Lakshanadapi Kalad Asau Ukta eva. Asau Ukta. Asau ka. Ka Ukta? What did you say? Atimukti. Atimuktau Uktayam Asau Ukta. Asau Atimukti Ukta. इति कृतं पृथग आरंभेण इति कृतं व्यर्थम कृतं here means व्यर्थम. There is no point in starting this again discussion on how to go beyond tithi. If you have already said how to go beyond day and night, how to go beyond tithi is covered. Tatraha in bhashya yadidam सर्वम अहोरात्रयोर तासां तु वृद्धिक्षय उपगमेन गमनेन प्रतिपत् प्रवृत्तीनां चंद्रमाः कर्ता। अहोरात्रयो we have already seen अहोरात्रयोः अविशिष्टयोः आदित्यः कर्ता न प्रतिपदादीना। अविशिष्टयोः वृद्धिक्षय शून्ययोः इति यावत्। अविशिष्ट मीन्स वृद्धिक्षय शून्य। तासाम in bhashya तासाम tu वृद्धि क्षय उपगमेन प्रतिपद प्रवृत्तीनाम चंद्रमा करता है. So ahoratra वृद्धि क्षय is decided by Aditya. But Pratipadadinam Vruddhikshaya is not decided by Aditya, is decided by Chandrama. Tasam means Tithina. Tithinam Vruddhikshaya Upagamanena Pratipad Pravritinam Chandramaha Karta. So Ahoratrayoho Avishishtayoho Vruddhikshayoho Aditya Karta. But for Pratipadadinam Avishtayoho Vruddhikshayoho Shunyayoho आदित्य न करता. वृद्धि क्षय शून्य यो हो अहोरात्रयो हो अविशिष्ट यो हो मीन्स अहोरात्रयो हो वृद्धि क्षय शून्य यो हो आदित्य. विशेषण फॉर आदित्य. आदित्य इज फ्री फ्रॉम अहोरात्र एंड वृद्धि क्षय. इस पंक्ति अविशिष्ट हिंदी सी अविशिष्ट समान रूप से अहोरात्र का कर्ता आदित्य है. सो अविशिष्टयो हो वृद्धि क्षय शून्ययो हो अहोरात्रयो हो कर्ता. वृद्धि क्षय शून्ययो हो अहोरात्रयो हो. अहोरात्रि आर नॉट वृद्धि क्षय शून्य. वृद्धि क्षय आदित्य इज वृद्धि क्षय शून्य. Because of Aditya, there is Vruddhi Kshaya in Ahoratra. But because of Aditya, there is no Vruddhi Kshaya in Pratipada. Their Vruddhi Kshaya is because of Chandrama. This kind of Anvaya is easy to understand. Because he said, Tasam tu Vruddhi Kshayo Upagamena. Tithi will have Vruddhi Kshaya. Their Karta is Chandrama. And Ahoratra Vruddhi Kshaya Karta is Aditya. Not Chandra. जैसे तिथि, like how it is there in Tithi, it is not there in Ahoratra. कथम तरहि तिथ्यादि लक्षणात् कालाद अतिमुक्ति ही इति अतः. So if you just say Kala only as one, then it should give you Atimukti from both Ahoratra as well as Tithi. If you do Kala Lakshana only as one with Ahoratra, then you will not have the Atimukti from Tithyadi. What is the question?
Pranam Swamiji. Surya Aditya Vruddhi Kshaya is to be understood as the difference in length of the day and night, and Chandrama's Vruddhi Kshaya as the Chandrama's Kala Vruddhi Kshaya. Is that the difference?
No, Aditya is Vruddhi Kshaya Shunya. In Aditya there is no Vruddhi Kshaya. In Ahoratra there is Vruddhi Kshaya. That is because of Aditya. Means the day is becoming longer, day is becoming shorter, night is becoming longer and shorter. That is because of the position of sun, etc. And the Tithi Vruddhi Kshaya, that there is Ashtami, then there is Vruddhi Ashtami, and there is Kshaya of Navami. All of this is because of Chandrama. In this way you should understand. Now, mantra. याज्ञवल्क्येति होवाच यदिदं सर्वं पूर्वपक्षापरपक्षाभ्याम् आप्तं सर्वं पूर्वपक्षापरपक्षाभ्याम् अभिपन्नं केन यजमानः पूर्वपक्षापरपक्षयोराप्तिमतिमुच्यत इति उद्गात्रार्त्विजा वायुना प्राणेन प्राणो वै यज्ञस्य उद्गाता तद्योऽयं प्राणः स वायुः स उद्गाता स मुक्तिः सा अतिमुक्तिः. याज्ञवल्क्येति होवाच. Who said Yajnavalkya? Ashwala. Yadidam sarvam purvapaksha aparapakshabhyam aptam. So here purvapaksha aparapaksha means the shukla paksha, krishna paksha you should take. Aptam sarvam purvapaksha aparapakshabhyam abhipannam, and everything is controlled by them. Kena yajmanah purvapaksha aparapakshayoho aptim atimuchyata. How the yajmana will go beyond this purvapaksha aparapakshayoho aptim. Iti udgatra ritvija vayuna pranena. Udgatra. First one was Hotra, Ritvija, Agnina, Vacha. Second one was Aryuna, Ritvija,
Aditya.
Adityena, Chakshusha. Means you have to tell in that vibhakti. Udgatra, Ritvija, Vayuna, Pranena. Now this one. Prano vai yajnasya udgata. Prana is yajnasya udgata. Tad yoyam pranaha sa vayuhu sa udgata sa muktihi sa atimukti. This prana is vayu, is udgata, that is mukti, atimukti. Now, in this one, there is something, there is a twist. What is the twist? See in the Bhashya. Atastad apatya purvapaksha aparapakshatyaya aditya apatya ahoratrat ahoratra atyayavat. So tad apatya purvapaksha aparapaksha atyaya. Chandrama apatti means Chandrama prapti. If I attain Chandrama, Purvapaksha aparapaksha atyaya means I will go beyond them. It's nasha for me. Just like Aditya prapti will take me beyond ahoratra, day and night. There atyaya will happen. Ahoratra atyayavat. So in this way, when you understand, then something more you can understand. What is this? If I have Aditya prapti, I still don't have Chandrama prapti. So I have gone beyond ahoratra, but I have not gone beyond aparapaksha. For many people, those who follow Western calendar, for them it is ahoratra more important. But those who follow Eastern calendar, Chandrama, which paksha is there? So yesterday it was Ashtami. Today also until 7 o'clock it is Ashtami, let us say. So for them, Ashtami is not over. Tithi is what governs. Day is over. It is not Friday, it is Saturday. But that Tithi is going on. Ekadashi is still there. So those who follow Tithi calendar, they don't care about that other calendar. And those who follow only Western calendar, it is everything, day, night, they don't care about other things. So when somebody has to say they have to do some Vedic ritual, Tithi they will say as part of Sankalpa also, as much as they will say Budhavasare, Somavasare, Yuktayam, something. But they will also say Chandrama is in this nakshatra, Surya is in that nakshatra, and then they will do the whatever ritual. So those things are important for those people, and only when I do Chandrama Prapti, then their Atya will happen for me. This is one thing we should understand. Second is, if I want to do Atya of all, I have to attain Hiranyagarbha. By attaining that, I will attain all. Now, see in Tika, Chandra Praptya इत्यादि अत्ययो माध्यन्दिन श्रुत्या उच्यते. Somebody is asking a question. In this mantra number 5 that we are seeing right now, is there a name of Chandrama anywhere? There is no Chandrama. Where did this Chandrama topic come? So now, because we read this line, therefore we know. Chandra Praptya Tithyadi Atyayo Madhyandina Shrutya Uchyate. If you do Chandra Prapti, Tithyadi Atya will happen. This is said in Madhyandina Shakha. So that is given in 5 number Tippani also. There it says, Brahmana Ritvija Manasa Chandrena iti Madhyandina Shrutya Tavad Uttaram Aha. So what is said in Kanva Shakha? Kanva Shrutya tu Vayu Bhavapatya Tad Atya Ukta. According to Kanva Shruti, you have to become Vayu to go beyond what? Tithya. Tathacha Shrutyor Virodhe. So now there is Virodha. Kanva Shakha says something, Madhyandina Shakha says something else. What should I attain? Should I attain Chandrama or Vayu? Mean this person who wants to ask question, actually he is not interested in doing any sadhana. All he wants to do is ask questions. So what should I do? You say something. What about this? What about that? That's all they will do. They will not do any sadhana. Tathacha Shrutyar Virodhe Kaha Samadhi. What is Samadhi? Where should I do Samadhi? Samadhi means Samadhanam. Iti Ashankya Aha Tatra Yajmanasya Prano Vayuhu. Oh, I didn't finish did I finish the mantra Vyakhyan? No. So you see there, Ritvija Vayuna Pranena Prano. Vayuna Pranena. Prano vai yajnasya udgata. Prana is udgata. Prano vai yajnasya udgata. What is the meaning of this line?
Prana is Adhyatma, Udgata is Abhibhuta.
Anybody else? What is yajna?
Yajamana.
Yajna means yajamana. Yajna means yajamana. So, yajamanasya prana is udgata. Yajmanasya prana udgata. Tad yoyam prana sa vayu. Now this prana is vayu. Sa udgata. Sa mukti sa ati mukti. Yajna means yajamana. So yajmanasya prana is udgata. Then other things, whatever the Adhidaiva, Adhyatma, that will come later. That is mukti, that is ati mukti. Mukti means mukti sadhanam. Atimukti means Devata Prapti. Tatra Yajmanasya Prano Vayu. See in Bhashya now that line has come. Tatra Yajmanasya Prano Vayu. Tatra means in Tika Kanva Shrutau iti yavat. Udgaturapi pranatmaka vayu rupatvam shruti dvayanusareణ darshayati. Udgatuhu api pranatmaka vayu rupatvam shruti dvaya anusareణ. Udgatuhu pranatmaka vayu rupatvam, this is shown through Kanva and Madhyandina both. Shruti dvaya anusareణ darshayati. Sa eva iti. स एव उद्गाता इति उद्गीत ब्राह्मणे अवगतम. वाचा नहि एव स प्राणेन च उद्गायत इति च निर्धारितम. वाचा च हि एव स प्राणेन च उद्गायत इति च निर्धारितम. So in Sa eva udgata iti udgita brahmane. In the udgita brahmana avagatam, this was known. And vacha cha hi eva sa pranena cha udgayat. Vacha did the udganam through prana. Pranena cha. So through vacha and through prana, we did the udganam. In Tika, न केवलम उद्गातुः प्राणत्वं प्रतिज्ञा मात्रेण प्रतिपन्नम किंतु विचार्य निर्धारितम च इत्याह. उद्गातुः प्राणत्वं, उद्गाता इज प्राण, प्रतिज्ञा मात्रेण न प्रतिपन्नम means just प्रतिज्ञा मात्रेण means just by seeing. You just said it, you didn't justify it, you didn't give logical reason. So he says it is not done only by that udgata is prana. Udgatuhu pranatvam pratignya matrena na pratipannam. Then kintu vicharya nirdharitam cha. With lot of vichara it was concluded like that. How? Vacha. Vacha cha pranena, vacha hi eva sa pranena cha udgayat. So vacha and prana, by them udganam was done. Therefore, udgata is prana. Tika. Prana chandramasoscha ekatvam saptanna adhikare nirdharitam ityaha. So now what is the question? Okay, this line you see, Prana chandramasoscha ekatvam saptanna adhikare nirdharitam. What does that mean? No, why he to say this now? That is my question. This line is very clear. Prana and Chandramaha ekatvam was given in Saptanna Brahmana. Saptanna adhikar nirdharitam. It was concluded. Why that line has come here? In Kanva Shakha, the Devata is Vayu. And Vayu is Prana. That's how the mantra said. Yoyam Pranaha sa Vayuhu. In Madhyandina Shakha, the Devata is Chandrama. So Chandrama Prapti will take you beyond Purva Paksha, Apara Paksha. That was said in Madhyandina Shakha. And in Kanva Shakha, it is said Vayu Prapti will take you beyond Purvapaksha, Parapaksha. So now the question is, how, Vayu and Chandrama, they are two different things. So he says, Vayu is Prana. This is step number 1. Then Prana is Chandrama. You say, Vayu is Prana, I can understand. Prana, how will I know? Prana Chandrama soho cha ekatvam saptanna adhikare nirdharitam. This is the meaning of this line. Understood? What is implied there? In Saptanna Brahmana, that was 141, 1415. Prana Chandrama Ekatvam was given in Saptanna Brahmana. And Vayu is Prana is given here in the mantra. Therefore, whether it is Vayu Prapti or Chandrama Prapti, it means the same thing. That means what? What is the Nigamana? Therefore, Shrutyoho Virodha Nasti. Kanva Shakha Shruti and Madhyandina Shakha Virodha is not there, because that was a question. See, in the next line in the Tikas, he says that Uktya Ritya Pranadinam Ekatve Shrutyoho Avirodham Phalitam. See in Bhashya. So, this is what is called Mananam actually, where I have to use my buddhi, not just some, whatever literal meaning that I know, it's obvious. अथ एतस्य प्राणस्य आपः शरीरं ज्योति रूपम असौ चंद्र इति च. एतस्य प्राणस्य आपः शरीरम, prana has apa as its sharira, jyoti rupam asau chandraha, and this chandrama is jyoti rupam. In 1 number tippani, they have given everything. Adidevikayor vang manasayor vibhutir nirdeshanantaram etasya annatvena prakritasya pranasya apah shariram adharah ज्योति रूपम प्रकाशात्मकम करणभूतम आधेय रूपम असौ चंद्र इत्यर्थः. ज्योति रूपम चंद्रमा. इति च. प्राण वायु चंद्रमसाम एकत्वात् चंद्रमसा वायुना च उपसंहारे न कश्चिद् विशेष एवं मन्यमाना श्रुतिर वायुना अधिदैवत रूपेण उपसंहरति. प्राण vayu chandramasam ekatvat. Now you see all three are one. Prana is vayu, prana is chandrama, therefore prana vayu chandramasam ekatvat. Prana vayu chandramasam. What is the vibhakti there? Shashti bahuvachana. Chandramasam ekatvat. So upasamhara is by either chandrama or by vayu. Chandramasa तो चंद्रमसा पुत्र माध्यन्दिन शाखायां वायुना कुत्र काण्व शाखायां चंद्रमसा वायुना च उपसंहारे न कश्चित् विशेष. Now vishesha means na bheda. There is no bheda between these two. Evam manyamana shrutir vayuna adhidaivata rupena upasamharati. So this shruti here in Kanva Shaka with this understanding is culminating the discussion in Vayu as Adhidevata. So as I said, Sureshwaracharya ji has brought in some of these differences in his Vartika. Mool Vartika is on Kanva, but lot of Madhyandina differences also he has included. And that is the job of Vartikar. Ukta, Anukta, Duruktanam, Chinta yatra cha vidyate, Tang Grantham Vartikam Prahur, Vartikagnya Manishinaha. Uktanukta Duruktanam. This is the Shabda. Tika. एवं मन उपसंहरति. टीका. मनो ब्रह्मणोश्च चंद्रमसा प्राणोद्गात्रोश्च वायुना उपास्यत्वेन. मनो ब्रह्मणोः चंद्रमसा. So there in Madhyandina Shakha, Mana and Brahma. Because there it is given Brahmana Ritvija Manasa Chandrena. And here it is given Udgatra Ritvija Vayuna Pranena. So he says, otherwise, see, if we don't know, even by reading the Tika, we will not know how to put the meaning. Mano Brahmano Chandramasa. Now, where did Brahma, which Brahma is this? So, Brahmano, when you read, Brahma can mean anything. Now, why would you go to Brahma when in the mantra there is no Brahma? In mantra there is no Manaha. So, where did this come from? Brahmana Ja Manasa Chandrena. This line. This is given in Madhyandina Shruti. Remember, those who are very calm in their thinking, they don't have other things going. For them, what is given in Kanva Shakha, what is given in Madhyandina Shakha, how this is interpreted, is all important. I have 75 other problems. What is Kanva Shakha, Madhyandina Shakha? That is not my issue. I am more worried about all other how I will run my day-to-day things. For that person, so they will think, what this, there is no significance of all this Kanva and Madhyandina. This kind of thinking is for someone who doesn't have any other issue, for whom everything else is already out. Then for them, Mano, Brahmano, Chandramasa, Pranod, Udgatro, Vayuna, all this makes sense. So, Manaha, Brahma, Chandramasa, and Prana, Udgatra, that is given here, Vayuna, Upasyatvena, Upasangrahe, Mrityu Tarane, Vishesho Nasti. Then, in that, you can do Mrityu Taranam. There is no bheda between the two. Vishesho Nasti. Iti. Shrutyor Vikalpena Upapatti Rityartha. Shrutyoho, of the two Shruti, Vikalpena Upapatti. Upasamharati Pranam Udgataram cha Tadrupena Upasyataya Sangrihnati. Kanva Shruti Rityartha. Upasamharati Pranam Udgataram cha. Upasamhara is done. Tadrupena Upasyataya Sangrihnati. Kanva Shruti. So Kanva Shruti Upasamhara is done. Pranam Udgataram cha Tadrupena Vayuna Adidevata Rupena Upasya. So Prana, Yajmanasya Prana Upasana should be done as Chandrama. Udgata Upasana should be done as Chandrama. Itascha Kanva Shruti Rupapanna Ityaha Apicha Vayu Nimittau hi Vriddhikshayau Chandramasaha. Now he justifies why there is two different words. Because the movement in Chandrama is because of Vayu. So when the Chandrama is moving, so then there is this Tithi. Vriddhi Kshaya is not in Chandrama. Chandrama is same, but what appears to Prithvi Vasi is different state of time. That is because of Vayu. So Tithi is because of Chandrama, but movement in Chandrama is because of Vayu. Therefore, Tithi and Vayu Sambandha he has shown. तेन तिथ्यादि लक्षणस्य कालस्य कर्तुः अपि कारयिता वायुः. तेन तिथ्यादि लक्षणस्य कालस्य कर्तुः अपि कारयिता वायुः. कर्तुः means no, who is this Kartu?
So
And
in
who
the
is
mantra it is given yajna. So that yajna is karta.
Yajna, you wait. First you see this question. Kalasya kartuhu api karayita vayu. Kartuhu karayita. Kartuhu is which vibhakti? Shashti. Kartuhu karayita. So kartu is Chandrama. Chandramaha. Chandramaso karayita vayu. चंद्रमा का भी इन टीका सीधे हो गया. कर्तुष चंद्रस्य इत्यर्थः. वायोः चंद्रमसि कारयितृत्वे अपि प्रकृते किम् आयातं तदाह. When they say karta and karayita, both the words when they are used mean they are referring to two different things. कर्तुः कारयिता, कर्ता का भी करने वाला. See टीका, we have to see a little bit. वायुः सूत्रात्मा. Now here he says vayu means सूत्रात्मा, हिरण्यगर्भ. तन्निमित्तौ स्व अवयवस्य चंद्रमसो वृद्धि ह्रासौ. And tannimitta there is vriddhi and hrasa in Chandrama, which is the avayava of what? Sutratma. Chandrama is the avayava of Sutratma. Sutradhina hi Chandrader Jagatash Cheshta ityartha. Because of Sutratma, Chandradehe Jagataha. Jagatascha. Jagatas Cheshta Ishta. Ishta means pravritti. That way you will have to take.
Jagatah cheshta Swamiji.
But there you need Jagatash Cheshta, then Chandradehe, one chakara should have been there. Jagatash Cheshta. आपके पुस्तक जगतः चेष्टा इत्यर्थः. जगतः चेष्टा. But Chandradehe Jagatah. Chandra is part of Jagat, therefore Chandra is Jagat. In that way he has taken. Chandradehe Jagatah Cheshta. Vridyadi hetutve phalitamaha tena iti. तेन तिथ्यादि लक्षणस्य कालस्य कर्तुः अपि कारयिता वायुः. कर्तुः चंद्रस्य, वायोः चंद्रमसि कारयितृत्वे अपि. वायु इज द कारयिता ऑफ चंद्रमा. कारयितृत्वे अपि प्रकृते किम् आयातं तदाह. अतो वायु रूपापन्न तिथ्यादि कालाद अतीतो भवति इति उपपन्नतरं भवति. Okay. I can complete it. Udita anudita homavat vikalpam upetya avirodham upasarmarati. Udite juhoti, anudite juhoti. In that there is vikalpa. In that here also vikalpena. Tena shrutyantare chandra rupena drishtir muktihi ati muktischa. Chandra rupena mukti ati mukti, vayu rupena mukti ati mukti. Shrutyantaram madhyandina shruti. साधन द्वयस्य इति उभयत्र संबध्यते. इह तु काण्वानां साधन द्वयस्य तत्कारण रूपेण वायुवात्मना दृष्टिर मुक्तिः अति मुक्तिश्च इति न श्रुत्योर विरोधः. साधन द्वय, what are the two sadhana? Prana and Udgata. Both of them, how we should see? Chandra rupena
Vayu.
or Vayu rupena.
Vayu.
टीका तत्र आदौ मनसो ब्रह्मणश्च इत्यर्थः. For the first one, not prana and brahma, prana and udgata, but mana and brahma. Brahma is the Atharva Veda priest, Chaturvedi. Uttaratra pranasya udgatuscha ityarthah. Tat shabdas chandra vishayah. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shantihi Shantihi Shantihi. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayam Sutra Bhashya Krutau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah. Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Veda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shantihi Shantihi Shantihi.